Clearbrow, North Dallas, 23 Challenger. I think it's a jailbreak, but it's a Hellcat, whatever you want to call it. Full wrap, Ultimate Plus with a ceramic coating over the top. Windows were tinted at the dealer. I'll show you the reason why you do not tint your windows at a dealer. I'm sure there are some that do a good job, but a majority do not, because they just don't have a consistent person. They're constantly hiring and firing, so they don't get time to see the quality grow. So anyway, moving forward on the wrap, full vehicle, and I'll show you how I take the time to wrap this full car with the dedication of wrapping all those edges in. Even the handles are fully wrapped. All the edges are hidden under the moldings. But let's start here in the front. Still finishing this mirror up. That's the last piece, and it leaves today. So here we go. These came off, so I get a nice clean look. There's no lines around that at all. These come out, so I'm nice and clean all the way around that edge. This hood is done perfectly. There's not one mark in this besides maybe some debris in the paint and the base coat from the factory, but that is a perfect hood. Every edge, every corner, fully wrapped in, and it just looks fantastic. So that is with the Xpel Ultimate Plus. This one came out as well. Everything's perfect. Nice and clean, no marks. Took this one off as well. It shows you after you take it off how they put those in. It's pretty rough. Factory doesn't do anything softly, but everything looks fantastic. Bumper fully wrapped, all the edges around, fully wrapped into the edge here, all the way under, everything edge to edge. All this wrapped in all the way around. Let's keep moving this way. Everything's wrapped in there. Everything's wrapped in there. Coming around, getting all this. Is that you, Delbert? What's your name? Delbert. Oh, hold on one second. Can you help him, Albert or Roberto? And then, sorry, I just had an interruption. And then coming around, we take these moldings off, these doors. They pop up and I can go all the way under. The door handles don't need to come out because we lift them to get around. All this is good. We're still finishing up. Last two mirrors, we just like to do them a little bit different so we can captivate all those edges. And around, coming up top here, our A-pillar fully wrapped in under the rubber. So from this A-pillar to that A-pillar where rocks would come in, fully wrapped. This roof pan is a matte with the satin PPF over it, fully rolled in. So it's wrapped 100%. No edges were not done. So it's a vinyl, textured vinyl, and then we put the satin stealth, they call it at Xpel PPF over. So edge to edge, fully done. The gloss. I take my time on these things so that we have this look. That is a fully wrapped corner on this trunk lid, like all the car, all of it, fully wrapped in edge to edge. Underneath here, fully wrapped in, all the way in here, all the way down. Everything's fully wrapped in. All this wrapped in, all these edges. I mean, the car's done beautifully. It's perfectly done. No edges shown at all. This fuel cap fully wrapped in all the way around. Coming to this side, quarter panel fully wrapped in. No markings, no adhesive marks, no markings of any tools, nothing. Everything looks fantastic. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas, finishing up a 23 Challenger Hellcat. Xpel Ultimate Plus with the Fusion ceramic over it. And I wanted to show you about the dealer tint. Oh God, where are we at? This one's got a lot of specs in it, but I'm gonna show you the other side. It had more. Well, it's just stuff that happens over there. I mean, when I put them out, we don't have anything in them. This one just had a bunch of random dirt in it all over the place. You know, it's just not the kind of work that we would do here. But anyway, that's dealer tint. Try to go to your owner operators or your facilities that have been around a while. That's where you'll find the quality. That's what we do. We dedicate ourselves. If we have to pull a piece of film off to make it right, we'll throw it out and start it over. Not a big deal. We want the car to leave in the best condition that we can do, and we know what we need to do. So I'm Brent, Clearbrow, North Dallas. You guys need anything, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 414-3809. You guys have a good New Year's. Take care.